Okay, Abby's been working on this all day. Alright, show us how it works, Abby.
Okay, first of all, I got this from YouTube. I didn't get it from my mind. I just wanted to copy it because it looked so cool. Because I already have a claw machine. I wanted to have a vending machine.
But that's okay because you made it.
Okay.
Alright.
Because I'm not still finished with it. I still need to design and put the instructions. Okay, so first
I can't talk a little loud so we can hear. Go ahead.
Okay, so first, I got Play-Doh. I don't really get a coin.
Okay,
Play-Doh.
that's fine.
Okay. You put it in the coin slot. Then you turn this 3 times clockwise.
Right.
Then you pull this out and you count to 3 because you might get a jumbo. Like 1, 2, 3. Just get one. And then you.
What? Now let's see how it works. Open it up and show us how it works.
This is it.
What? So she's got. This holds the money.
Yes, this holds the money, and
there's a little flap here that separates the money from the toys. From the toys. And that's awesome, D.
Yeah, this is how it works. When you insert your coin, you can just hold it. Okay, then you try this for fun. Yeah,
Right.
It's fun.
But it really works,
it's
right?
It's fun. Okay.
Yeah.
It does.
It really works. Cool.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Then there's a little plate that holds the toys. It's not really that much room, but you can.
And you did all this from just a cereal box.
Yeah.
Lucky Charms box. Cool.
Like
So look at this, y'all. If y'all feel like y'all want something to do at home and y'all bored, let me see. Can I see you? There you go. Get your cereal box and start inventing something. Abby made a vending machine.
Then you pull this. So the
a toy vending machine.
Wait,
right? Yeah.
You count to 3. 1.
A little bit more, huh?
There you go.
So you get a little help there. But it works, huh? I've seen it work.
You can try if you want to.
Can you hold the camera?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, hold it like
let
this so you
me
don't
get
mess it up.
Let me get it set. Ready? Okay, where's that coin?
It's in the coin box, huh? Alright.
I still need some designing to do.
That's okay.
So
You did a good job, I'll tell you that.
Garbage right
I guess not. This is a prototype. Do you remember when I did my prototype of my baby bottle? Everybody laughed at me how big it was. Hey, you still laughing? It ain't funny. Alright, ready?
I always think funny. I'm so
Alright,
sorry.
so we're going to take the coin back up so you can see. We're going to take this coin and we're going to put it in here.
Yes.
Oh. Bling! And you turn this. 1, 2, 3.
Clockwise. Yeah.
That's clockwise.
Yeah, clockwise.
Then you pull this out slow. 1, 2, 3. Because we could win a jumbo, right?
No, you put it out and then you count to 1, 2, 3.
Oh, 1, 2.
But you still count to 3.
I won this.
Jumbo. You got a man.
Why do I have
Army man.
I want a what?
You got an army man.
Yeah, but I got a broken toy. Where's his arm?
No, they shoot his arm off.
What kind of gimmick is this? You shoot his arm off. Well, and I got a car.
What's that?
Well, I guess I paid you in Play-Doh, so I guess I can't ask for much, huh? There we go, and off we go. Good job, D. Abby is awesome. Awesome. Stand by. Let me get a picture with you and your thing. Good job. I'll tell you what. Well, you got an awesome mind. You need what you need to do.
I didn't get this from my mind.
You did get that from your mind.
No, I didn't.
No, you got the idea from YouTube, right?
I mean, I need to picture some.
Yeah, but still, no. Most of that you got from your mind, right?
Yeah.
I guarantee you. Put your mind to something next time. Don't look at pictures, and you can come up with your own invention. But that is cool. You still had to do it.
And yeah, so I had to do it because I was so bored out. I want my room, like when I get my own room, because I want it to be filled with stuff, like people would enjoy.
Cool.
At least they would enjoy going to my room. And I just love those kind of stuff.
Cool.
Because I'm kind of really good at it, you know.
You are good at it.
Definitely those claw machines.
Yep. You are queen of the claw. Alright. Gotta go to the stove.
Wait, where are you going?
Gotta go to the stove. Gotta go.